Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the newly facelifted 2024 Mercedes CLA 180 on a road trip through the beautiful landscapes of Scotland. From the historic cities to the stunning Highlands, we'll be putting the luxury compact cube to the test and giving you a comprehensive long-term review. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about ownership costs. Maintaining the CLA 180 is pretty straightforward, with regular services needed every 10,000 miles or annually. You can expect routine maintenance like oil changes and brake pad replacements. Insurance costs are average for a Mercedes Cube car around 2,000 to 5,000 US$ per year depending on your driving history and location. As for fuel efficiency, the CLA 180 averages 43.5 miles per gallon in combined driving, making it a great choice for those long Scottish road trips. Let's talk comfort and usability. The seats in the CLA 180 are sporty, but on a long drive they can get uncomfortable. The front seats have lumbar support and even the rear seats offer decent space for adults. When it comes to storage, the trunk provides 460 liters of space, which is more than enough for your luggage on a weekend getaway. Plus, the rear seats fold down for added versatility. The CLA 180 is packed with technology. The latest MBUX infotainment system is intuitive and easy to use, featuring a dual-screen setup, voice control, and seamless smartphone integration. Whether you're navigating through the city or streaming your favorite music, the system has got you covered. Performance and driving experience are where the CLA 180 really shines. Under the hood we have a turbocharged 1.3 liter engine delivering 136 horsepower paired with a smooth 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. The car handles beautifully on Scotland's winding roads, offering a perfect balance between comfort and agility. While the suspension is on the firm side, it provides a stable and engaging ride even on the occasionally rough patch. Over time, build quality and durability are crucial, and the CLA 180 has a mixture of great material but also plastic. The interior materials could be better in some parts, for example the dash and the drive selector, but overall it feels good. The exterior paint is durable and holds up well against the elements, a must for Scotland's unpredictable weather. Overall, the CLA 180 is built to last. Finally, let's talk about overall owner satisfaction. The 2024 Mercedes CLA 180 offers a luxurious, comfortable and reliable driving experience. It's perfect for those who appreciate a blend of style, performance and advanced features. If I had to choose again, I definitely consider the CLA 180. It's a solid investment that holds its value well over time. That's it for today's long-term review of the 2024 Mercedes CLA 180 on this incredible Scotland road trip. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next adventure.